For Baltimore homeowners, security is a top priority. Whether you live in a busy urban neighborhood, a historic district, or a quiet residential area, your entry door is one of the most important lines of defense protecting your home and family. When installing a new door, choosing the right security features can make a significant difference in safety, durability, and peace of mind. Here are the most important security features Baltimore homeowners should consider when installing a new door. Solid core door construction. The strength of a door starts with what's inside it. Hollow core doors offer minimal protection and are easier to force open. For better security, homeowners should choose doors with solid or reinforced cores. Strong options include solid wood cores, steel reinforced doors, fiberglass doors with insulated solid cores. These materials resist impact and forced entry far better than lightweight alternatives, making them ideal for Baltimore homes. Reinforced door frames matter just as much. Even the strongest door won't perform well if the frame is weak. Older homes in Baltimore may have aging frames that no longer provide adequate support. Security-focused door installation should include reinforced steel or composite frames, secure anchoring into wall studs. Frames designed to resist warping and splitting. A reinforced frame helps prevent kick-ins and improves long-term door stability. High-quality locking systems. Locks are a critical security feature and should never be an afterthought. Modern doors support advanced locking hardware that significantly improves protection. Look for deadbolts with reinforced strike plates, multi-point locking systems, ANSI Grade 1 or Grade 2 locks for residential security. Multi-point locks secure the door at multiple locations along the frame, making forced entry far more difficult. Durable hinges and secure installation. Hinges are often overlooked, but they play a major role in door security, especially for outward swinging doors. Security-conscious installation includes heavy-duty hinges made of steel or reinforced alloys. Hinges secured with long screws that anchor into framing. Tamper-resistant hinge pins. When exposed, proper hinge installation prevents doors from being removed or weakened. Impact-resistant glass options. Many Baltimore homeowners want doors with glass panels for natural light, but standard glass can be a security risk. Fortunately, modern options balance light and protection. Safer glass options include laminated safety glass, double or triple pane insulated glass, impact-resistant glazing. These materials are harder to break and remain intact even if cracked, reducing intrusion risks. Secure strike plates and hardware reinforcement. The strike plate, the metal plate where the lock engages, is a common weak point in many doors. Upgrading this component greatly enhances security. Professional installation should include reinforced strike plates, long screws that penetrate wall studs, proper alignment for full lock engagement. This simple upgrade significantly improves resistance to forced entry. Weatherproof seals that support security. Tight weather stripping isn't just for energy efficiency, it also helps security by eliminating gaps that can be exploited. Quality seals prevent prying tools from gaining leverage, reduce door movement during impact, improve overall door fit and performance. In Baltimore's variable climate, weatherproofing also protects the door from moisture damage that could weaken security over time. Smart security and monitoring compatibility. Many modern doors can integrate with smart home security features, adding another layer of protection. Popular options include smart locks with access monitoring, video doorbells, remote locking and alerts. These features give Baltimore homeowners more control and awareness, even when away from home. Professional installation ensures security features work properly. Even the best security features won't be effective without proper installation. Professional installers ensure correct alignment and fit, full engagement of locks and hardware, secure anchoring of frames and hinges. Proper installation prevents vulnerabilities that can undermine security. A safer home starts with the right door. Installing a new door is one of the most impactful security upgrades Baltimore homeowners can make. By choosing solid construction, reinforced frames, high-quality locks, secure glass options, and professional installation, homeowners can significantly improve protection without sacrificing style or comfort. When security matters most, investing in the right door and the right installation provides lasting peace of mind and confidence in your home's safety.